G'day everybody, here we are at Physio Health. Today we're going to talk about ankle sprains, a very, very common injury. And luckily enough, I've got Shay here to show us exactly how it happens. Go, Shay. Perfect. Here, this is where the pain is, and this is where he strains that ligament, overloads it, damages it, and absolute agony. Jump up here for me, Shay. So an ankle sprain can occur both sides, but most commonly on the outside, the lateral side. Now, when that happens, usually it swells up pretty fast. Now, here's my little bit of rubber, which I'm going to pretend is the ligament. So on the outside, we have 3 bands, but we're going to just show you on one of them. So when he went over then, he strained that ligament to a degree where it stretched, and that created pain. That means he's damaged some of the fibres. Now, if the fibres are only slightly damaged, then that's a grade 1 sprain. We'll have you back on the field in 2 weeks. If he goes further over, it stretches further, it actually tears the actual ligament, and you actually get 50% of these fibres torn. That's a grade 2 sprain. It's going to take you 4 weeks. If he goes even further, because he's got a lot more force going through, and he ruptures that thing, it tears it apart, then that's a grade 3 sprain, and it's going to take him 6 to 12 weeks to get back. The thing is, we have to diagnose exactly what level sprain it is, and then we'll work out the program. But the first thing you've got to do is put an ice pack on it, take your load off, put a brace on it, bandage it up, whatever you like, but just protect it and ice it. And that's the best thing you can do initially.